Transgenic plants, genetically modified crops, that is GM crops, herbicide tolerant glyphosate. Weeds are this constant problem in crop fields. Weeds not only compete with the crops for sunlight, water, nutrients and space, but also carrier of the insects and diseases. So it left uncontrolled weeds and reduce the crop yields significantly. So herbicide tolerant of this glyphosate. So herbicides that means the weeds control. That means the weed controls in the crop field. So not only is for this that why it is control of this weeds. So weeds are this competent of the sunlight, water, nutrients, all the things is giving from this that crops. So and carrier of this that insects and disease also. So it is controlled. It is that controlled of this weeds. It is a very important one of this in the crop fields. Glyphosate, herbicide. So transgenic plants means contain the novel DNA introduced into the genome. Glyphosate herbicide produced by this Monsanto USA company under the trade names Roundup kills the plants by blocking of the 5-enopyruvate schemicate 3-phosphate synthetase enzyme. So an enzyme involved in the biosynthesis of aromatic amino acids, vitamins and many secondary metabolites. There are several ways by which the crops is modified to be the glyphosate tolerant. Glyphosate herbicide. Glyphosate herbicide, it is a trade name, it is a Roundup. It is kills How to kill it? So the nucleotide blocking of this nucleotide is a 5-pyruvate schemate. It is can be synthesis of this phosphate enzyme. This enzyme is that biosynthesis. It is involved in this biosynthesis like this vitamins and aromatic amino acids. All the things it happens in that the herbicides. So it is a plant metabolites. It is secondary metabolites are produced in this biosynthesis. So there are the several ways is followed by this modified by this glyphosate tolerant. So one category is to this incorporate a soil bacterium gene that produces a glyphosate tolerant from the EBSPS. So another way to incorporate a different soil bacterium gene that produces a glyphosate degrading enzyme. So there are this two ways of the two categories of this in this followed by this glyphosate herbicides. So one is that soil bacterium. One is the soil bacterium. It gives at the gene. So glyphosate gene to form this EPSPS. So next one it is that incorporate of this bacterium gene. Incorporated this bacterium soil gene. So both having this soil bacterium gene. It produces one is a degrading enzyme. So another one is a EPSPS enzyme. Next one is the advantages of that herbicide tolerant crops. Weed control improve the higher crop yields, reduces the spray of herbicides, reduces the competition between the crop plant and weed, use of the low toxicity compounds which do not remain active in the soil, and the ability to conserve the soil structure and microbes. So weed control. So it can be first controlling of this weeds. So do you know that weeds? It is unnecessary. It is that unnecessary crops, unnecessary plants in this crop field. That is the weeds. These weeds are controlled. Because of this, it having this. Because of this, the higher yield. Because of that, the higher yield. So it is reduces the chemical spray. It reduces the reduces the chemical sprays. And next one is the competition between this. It can be decreases the competition between this crop field and the feed. So low toxicity to this soil and all the things. It's that so you conserve the soil structure and this microbes. Next one is herbicide tolerant pasta. Trade name pasta refers to the non-selective herbicide containing the chemical component phosphothiazine. So pasta herbicide tolerant gene PPT was isolated from this Medica sativa plant. It inhibits the enzyme glutamine synthetased, which is involved in the ammonium assimilation. The PPT gene was introduced into tobacco, and transgenic tobacco produced was resistant to PPT. Similar enzyme was also isolated was from the Streptomyces agrocarbosus. This was with BOR gene encodes for the PAT. Phosphonitrile acetyl transferase, and was introduced into the crop plants like potato, sugar beet, and transgenic crops have been developed. So herbicide tolerant pasta. So pasta, it is that pasta is a type of herbicide. It is isolated in the gene of that phosphoerythrin. So in this plant is called Medica sativa plant. So it containing that compounds, chemical compounds phosphonothrezine. So this is that isolated in this plant, Medica sativa plant. So it inhibits the growth of this and the ammonium assimilation, inhibits the growth of the crops, the ammonium assimilation in that plant. So it gives it the enzymes from that plant. So the PPT gene is another gene, is that PPT gene. So introduced that the tobacco plant and the transgenic tobacco plant, it resistant to that same similar to that. So the isolated from this as Stomus hygrocarpus. So it is a bad gene. It is that bad gene. So that is called this BOR gene. So it is encoded for this PAT. So phosphonithyrazine acetyl transferase. So introduce that the crop plants. So this like this potato and sugar beet is a transgenic plants. It is applied that to avoid this herbicides. Next one is insect resistance PT crops, PT cotton. PT cotton is a genetically modified organisms or genetically modified pest resistant plant cotton variety which produces an insecticide activity to bollworm. Strains of this bacteria, Bacillus thuringiensis, produces over 200 different PT toxins, each harmful to different insects. Most PT toxins are insecticidal to the larvae of moths and butterflies, beetles, cotton, bollworms, and gadflies, but are the harmless to other forms of the life. So the genes are encoded for that toxic crystals in the grey crop. Endotoxin. When insects attack, they eat the cotton plant. The grey toxins are dissolved in this insect stomach. The epithelial membranes of this cut black, sentient vital nutrients, thereby the sufficient regulation of potassium ions are lost in this insect, and then results death of epithelial cells in the intestinal membrane, which leads to the death of the larva. So next one is insect resistance PT crops. So PT crops means genetically modified organisms. So you have to kill in this insect for this that some organisms. So that is called as strains are used. Which strains are used in that. So Bacillus thuringiensis is a bacteria. So produce 200 different PT toxins are produced. So each harmful different toxins are different kinds of the organisms are die. So that is the PT toxins are insecticidal. The larvae and moths like this butterflies, all these insects are killed that in that way. So first, so the toxin crystals of the spread on this the crop of the plants. So next, so when insects are attacked this the crop plants, the PT cotton, you have to eating on this that cotton plants, and this grey toxin is entered into this insect stomach. So the insect stomach, the epithelial membranes of the cut off this that vital process takes place in that the insect stomach. So it is lost that it can lost the potassium ions. It lost the potassium ions in this insect. So that the death of the insect. So the intestinal membrane which leads to the death. So larvae is death. So next advantages. The advantages PT cotton are yield of cotton is increased due to the effective control of bollworms, reduction in insecticide use in the cultivation of PT cotton. So potential reduction in the cost of cultivation. So yield of this cotton is very increased, so not harmful to this cotton plant. So next one, it is the reduction of this incentive cultivation of the PT cotton is very high yield, so potential reduction is the cost of the cultivation is increased. Next disadvantages, PT cotton has some limitations. Because of this, cost of this PT cotton seed is very high. Cost of this, so cost is very high in this that seed. So effectiveness up to 0.20 days. After that, efficiency is reduced. So only effective this spray that is that inside sides, it is only for this 120 days. So and the decreasing of that days. So ineffective against shucking the pests like gears, aphids and whitefly. So effective pollinating insects are thus yield. And thus yield. So effect of this pollinating insects also it can be die.